Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you my completed April spread and the making of my May spread. I apologize if my voice does sound a little weird in this video. I am feeling under the weather, but I am so excited to show you guys the making of my May spread. And if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. Starting off with the end of my April spread, I did film this video on the 27th of April, so not everything is completely finished, but I will show you the flip through of it and show you how it turned out. Now, my birthday was on the 25th of April, and this page is not complete without some pictures of the eventful day. I did turn 20 years old, so I feel like that's a big deal. I know that 21 is the big birthday for everyone, but 20 was kind of a big deal for me. I loved being a teenager and acting like a child, so now I don't have any excuses to act like a child, but I do have this amazing spread and some awesome pictures of the event. And now that that's all finished and up to my standards, we're gonna move on to the May spread. This month I chose my theme to be baby chicks. I actually thought of this last month on April 1st for Easter, so I'm kind of a month late on this, but it turned out so cute, and it definitely goes with the warmer weather of these summer months. So I hope you guys enjoy. You can just watch me draw it out and color it in. This theme was pretty hard for me, to be honest. That's why I did draw it out before and not really film that part, so that I could just tweak things as I went and get it up to my standards, and then sort of trace it out for you guys. But I am not experienced with drawing fur on animals, so that was the hardest part for me. But I did look up some tutorials on YouTube and even just Google images of it. I did pick my picture first of the chicks that I wanted to draw, which I showed in the beginning, and then I made some changes to it so that it would fit on the page. Just to walk you through my coloring process really quick, I started out with an orange marker for the legs and did the shadowed areas, just a thin line of that, and then I took my colored pencils and went in with an orange and a yellow and did the lighter areas of the legs with that. For the bodies of the chicks, I took just a yellow colored pencil and a brown colored pencil, and I did some values with the yellow, and then I went in with the brown for the darkest areas and darkened those up. For the title, I just wrote out May in all caps, and then I went in with my gray marker and thickened up those lines, capping it off with a line above and below the lettering. On the next set of pages, I have everything drawn out and planned of where I want it to be. On this page, I'm going to have my important dates ready at the top, and all of my habit trackers along with my mood tracker. For the habit trackers, I'm just going to go in and draw all the gridded lines and put in the numbers for that, finishing them off by writing each habit above each box, and then I'll move on to my mood tracker and outline all of the pencil that I have drawn on there, as well as fill in each of the boxes on the left of the mood tracker with the colors that correspond with my mood. After everything is finished and I have all the titles drawn in, I want to kind of explain my mood tracker for you. So what I'll do is I'll turn it on its side and write why I felt that way along the vertical part of the journal, if that makes sense. If not, I will post a picture of that a few days into the month on my Instagram, which is linked at the end of the video. Finally, I'll go in and write all of my important dates, choose the lighter yellow of the two, and go and highlight all of the days. The next set of pages will of course have my goal wheel on it, followed by my thankfulness and the memories of this month. For my goal wheel, my vision was to make it look like the yolk inside of a cracked egg. So I cut out the wheel and glued it down and then traced the egg white around it. Next, I pulled up a picture on Google of a cracked egg and just sort of filled in the shadowing going off of that picture. Throughout the month, as I fill in the goal wheel, I will fill it in with a yellow so that it does turn out looking like the yolk of an egg. On the final set of pages, we're moving right into my weekly spreads. I'm going to do a week on each page so that I only take up 4 pages for my weekly spreads. I know that I skipped the weekly spreads last month and just sort of did the sticky notes, but this month is pretty busy for me, so I figured that writing out the weekly spreads would be the best for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed the making of my May spread. It is a theme kind of for last month, but it does look so cute for any month in the summer, I think. Here's a flip through of the final project, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked the video, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week.